can't believe we're just sitting
Got a
here.
fucking gun on that son of a bitch.
Look at that.
Got a damn gun up there on there.
Holy shit.
How many more's coming?
Oh my God, there's more.
Yeah.
At the truck stop. Holy shit.
Yeah, they're fully armed.
Oh my God, damn.
You'll never see them armed.
This is freaking me out a little.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I mean, they're fully gunned. Got them on the back, too.
Holy cow.
Cool shit.
Why are they at a truck stop? Look, there's more people on the ground.
He's armed, too.
For God's sakes. Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
That's weird.
Should we be worried about something? Or doing something I don't know to do?
I don't know.
Wow.
You never see them in convoys armed. Ever.
Holy smokes.